So, here we arrive at a day long foreseen. It has been a little over 15 years since I saw you in junior high and told a friend that I would end up with you. Of anyone I've ever met, you have always infatuated me. I've never been able to identify just what it is about you that is so steadfastly grips my heart. Be it your beauty, be it your wit, be it your mind, be it your soul, be it your strength, be it your vulnerability. Perhaps there remains a deeper, more romantic truth in my inability to put what you mean to me into words.
You are the light that fills my soul with a sense of purpose, adventure, and excitement. With you, I feel safe and I feel strong.
The whole world is laid out before you. There's so many mountains left for you to climb. Take the time to celebrate each one. Celebrate each milestone, big or small. Celebrate each year that passes since you started this journey together. Celebrate each other's accomplishments. Celebrate the hardships you overcome. Sometimes you should celebrate for no reason at all, just because each day is made sweeter when you're together.
I believe the chaos that life provides makes our love only more beautiful, and I believe it will only continue to grow. I vow to love you completely, in moments of strength and in moments of weakness. I vow to respect, admire, and listen to you always.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait.
My love and commitment to you is one I give completely and without hesitation. Today, tomorrow, and always, I promise to be your strength in times of difficulty, to lift you up in times of sadness, and to celebrate with you in times of joy and triumph. Through whatever life throws our way, I promise I will be there standing beside you, unwaveringly.
We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
I vow to respect, admire, and listen to you always. I vow to remain authentic, vulnerable, and real. I vow to be the best husband and partner I can. Our friends and family are all saying congratulations on our wedding. For me, though, after almost 15 years of loving you, today is really a dream come true.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Sydney and Mason, take a look at each other. Think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to be different 10 years from now? Can you picture your relationship 30 years from now?
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
Sydney and you, Mason, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence. Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
You are the greatest gift life has ever given me, but loving you is my life's greatest privilege.